Not your day-to-day regarding the team performance. Assess the performance from over the 2 hours.
Yeah, as you rightly so, we start well, I think, in the first half, and get a chance that we should have capitalized on. But so the nature of it, I think second half we weren't, we weren't disciplined enough. I think, we give up 2 goals. Good goal, I must say, from the Molynes team, and but I think we need a lot of work, and that work, we as a team, we weren't there, and I think we were a bit, as much as, really quarrel too much on the field and so on, So the team never settled. It never settled the way we are, how we can play, and we were looking that, we could have do something special today. But again, we just have to look at it very seriously and carefully and see what we have to do, to perform better as we go along in the season.
Vere had one of the better first rounds in the league since you've been in the league. And certainly would have expected to start the second round much better. What are some of the things that you think you need to do specifically to get things back on track?
One of the things happened is that, we getting some new players, and of course it's going to take a little time, for the chemistry, for them to fit in the chemistry, that we want. Yes, they are good players, but of course when you come into a new system, a new team, it's going to take a little time before you can adjust yourself to the system, what we're doing, and for you to be a part of it, But again, we will work at it. We will work at it at training individually and collectively as a group, and I'm sure, we can bounce back from today's loss, because we know we have the potential, we know we have the players, it's just for us to get it right on the day, and we definitely work on that.